you're looking for a mild shampoo, then you're obviously looking for a shampoo that does not have any harmful chemicals in it, and a shampoo that will not damage our hair or our scalp even when we use it every day, and a shampoo that also has a beneficial effect on our hair health. Clearly, the very mildest shampoos that you get are baby shampoos, and one name that comes to mind is Johnson's baby shampoo. It has such mild components that it is harmless to the skin hair of babies also. Now, mild shampoos should be free of certain chemicals that we know are harmful and which many shampoos have. I'll just name a few now. A mild shampoo should not contain SLS, which is sodium laureth sulfates, or SLES, which is sodium lauryl sulfates. It should not have any parabens or paraffin, and should not have any sulfonates in it either. In fact, there are more components like silicons that should not be there in a mild shampoo, nor should there be any sodium C1214 or sodium C1416. And in fact, if you go right up to it, it should not have any artificial fragrance or color in it either. This list of 10 best mild shampoos in India all are safe. They have got good components. They are good and safe for your hair, but everybody reacts differently to the components in shampoos. So you have to do a little bit of trial and error before you get the ideal shampoo for your hair, the ideal mild shampoo. Having said that, let's get into these 10 shampoos which are going to be a great starting point for you. We start with the mild shampoo at the 10th spot in our list, which is the Forest Essentials Bhringraj and Shikakai Hair Cleanser. Now, as the name suggests, it contains Bhringraj and Shikakai, which are excellent natural ingredients, and this shampoo is a very good solution for problems such as hair thinning, breakage and dandruff. And its natural and wonderful ingredients, Bhringraj, Shikakai and licorice, helps in nourishing your hair and your scalp. Also, this shampoo stimulates your hair growth. So this is a great choice, and Forest Essentials is a very good brand overall. Next, at the number 9 spot, we have the Yev Rocher Gentle Super Soft Shampoo. Now, this is a shampoo that is a very mild formulation, and it is suitable for both young and old hair alike. By young and old hair, I mean hair for young and old people alike. It is formulated with a main ingredient, which is witch hazel, and that ingredient helps to clean your hair while also maintaining an optimum moisture balance. Since it is a very mild shampoo, you can use it very frequently without any problems or worries. At the number 8 spot is the Mamaearth Gentle Cleansing Shampoo, which is for babies. Remember, we were talking about babies in the introduction. Well, this is a baby shampoo, which is a very gentle cleansing shampoo, and though it is a baby shampoo, it can be used by adults and it will benefit them greatly. It is completely free of sulfates, mineral oils, parabens, synthetic fragrances and dyes, which is great. And this shampoo also has a pH balance formula, so this makes it very gentle on your scalp and also helps to maintain the natural moisture balance of your hair. And this is one of the shampoos that is very safe even for people with sensitive skin. At the number 7 spot, we have the Organics Moroccan Argan Oil Shampoo. Now, as the name suggests, this shampoo has been formulated with the Moroccan argan oil. So this is slightly different formula. So the argan oil of Morocco is known for the huge number of benefits it offers for hair health. This special oil penetrates through the hair shaft and helps in restoring the softness and shine of the hair. And this starts happening from the very first use that you have of this shampoo. This mild shampoo is free of parabens and sulfates and is very gentle on your hair. At the number 6 spot, we have the Himalaya Herbals Protein Shampoo, Gentle Daily Care. Now, this is a shampoo that is a very gentle hair cleanser, and it has been created and developed from natural hair proteins and very mild foaming agents. This shampoo is overall very gentle on your hair and scalp, and it also protects your hair's natural keratin. And this shampoo has been formulated in such a manner that helps maintain a healthy pH and moisture balance for your hair health. And of course, the ingredients are excellent. It is enriched with extracts of amla, chickpea, licorice, beech almond and henna. And because of all these ingredients, it will nourish your hair while you are cleaning it. At the number 5 spot, we have the Patanjali Kesh Kanti Hair Cleanser with milk protein. Patanjali, as you know, is a very well-known brand. It is made of natural ingredients, is an Indian grown brand, and this hair cleanser with milk protein is very good for dryness and dandruff in your hair. Now, it has got great ingredients. It has been enriched with bhringraj, henna, shikakai, aula, rita, neem and turmeric, and also a whole lot of other herbal ingredients. Patanjali is known for herbal ingredients. So this mild shampoo, it is a mild shampoo. It has formulation helps in curbing hair loss and also improves your hair texture. Coming in at the number 4 spot is the Khadi Shikakai and Honey shampoo. This is a natural shampoo. It's a Khadi Shikakai and Honey shampoo which is made from a herbal formulation, and it helps to clean and condition your hair together at the same time. It's very mild and can be used regularly every day. It also is formulated to maintain the pH balance for your best hair and scalp health. And the Khadi Shikakai and Honey shampoo also helps to curb hair fall when used regularly. At the number 3 spot is the Herbal Essences Bio Renew shampoo, which again uses argan oil of Morocco. Now, it is because some shampoos are harsh that your hair can dry out and break. A mild shampoo like the Herbal Essences Bio Renew will always ensure that no harm comes to your hair or scalp. This kind of a shampoo contains a natural argan oil which will restore your hair softness and make it healthy. It also has antioxidants and vitamin E that strengthens your hair by repairing any damage to the hair. It does not contain any harsh chemicals, any sulfates or parabens. It is mild and gentle and safe to use for all kinds of hair and on a regular basis. At the number 2 spot is Aloe Veda. We all know the Aloe Veda brand name, and the Aloe Veda Mild Nourishing Shampoo is a great mild shampoo for daily use. It has a very gentle formula. It has been enriched with extracts of aloe vera, and as you know, aloe vera is an excellent herbal ingredient that helps improve overall health, especially hair health. It is free of parabens, and the product, just for your information, has never been tested on animals. This is a great option to use. And at the very top, the number 1 spot, we've got a baby shampoo, the Himalayan Herbals Gentle Baby Shampoo. This is a shampoo that has been formulated for babies, so obviously it's going to be very mild on hair, skin, even for babies. So if adults use it, it's going to be a really good option if you need a mild shampoo. Now, it is a no tears shampoo. It has been specially formulated for babies. It is very rich in proteins and contains herbal ingredients like hibiscus, paddy, khus grass and chickpea. Now, these herbal ingredients work together to keep the scalp healthy and also soften the hair. And this is such a mild baby shampoo that it can be used every day by adults. That brings us to the end of this list of the top 10 best mild shampoos in India. We hope you like seeing these options and you find an option that will suit you well. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe.